Morning. Just got back from the gym where I did hardly anything. The battery died, but I'm just gonna make some eggs and avocado. So I'm just doing my usual breakfast. Eggs on toast, scrambled, ooh, there's a feather. Scrambled eggs, 2 scrambled eggs, toast, avocado. These are the Burford, is it Burford brown? You know, the ones with the colour. I'm going to IKEA with my mum today and I'm so excited. I've been in the house on my own for so long. And there's some bits I like really need for the home, because I've paused getting anything new because, you know, it all adds up really quickly. But I always add some chili oil. And today I'm going to add some feta just because I had some yesterday from lunch. Done. I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup before going to IKEA. This PMS time has been horrendous. I changed my hair parting and I kind of like it. And I cut my hair a little bit. Let's go IKEA.
Productivity can be much simpler with Confluence by Atlassian.
Made it. There was an accident on the road, so I'm a little bit late. I love this jumper. It's from Worst Behaviour. It's so comfortable. My outfit's so random today, look. So random. I'm gonna go meet my mum, go have a coffee and a catch up, and then there's some bits I need. What do I need? I really want a lamp for my living room, and maybe for my bedroom, and I need some shelves, like some basket shelves? No, not shelves. Some baskets for my shelving. My mum got me this dime cake. I love this cake. And I just got a coffee. We want everything. We've been chatting for ages, probably like an hour or so. That's a nice colour.
I'll get a slow from the chair.
Mum's helping me get content.
Right, sorry, what do you want to do?
Okay. So, I haven't found much yet.
Sweet, isn't it?
Hello. Evie would love this one. This one, wow. That's so cute. No, it looks like a flower.
Oh,
Isn't that pretty?
it's beautiful. Yeah. Why don't we get it for Indy? Should we buy it for Indy?
I found the storage boxes that I've been looking for. Oh my god, I've been needing these for so long, and then now I've moved house as well. I'm just like, okay, this is the time, because I need to store all of my PR bits, and yeah, I need to sort things out. So these, I'm gonna get these ones because I think they look a bit more minimal looking. I want one of these kind of lights, but not this one, a bit taller. But do they not have it? Oh my god. I've been wanting one of these for so long. No. This one's too small. This one, I don't know. It's not really. Yesterday, obviously went to IKEA with my mum. It was really nice. The time went so quick. Like, I didn't have much time at all. Then I had to go and get Indy from school. Yeah, I've been just spending a lot of time like to myself, really, like over the last week or so. Just sort of trying to heal and like heal my inner voice a little bit, you know, since going through a breakup. Oh, like, I loved the messages that I got from you guys about my heartbreak episode on Girl Talk, so thank you. I'm really glad it's helped some of you that are going through it at the moment as well. Seeing my friends this weekend, which I'm really excited about, and it's so needed. I think, like, I really need that at the moment. Yeah, soon again I need to go pick Indy up from school. I said to her I want to take her for a little surprise after school, and I want to take her to go and get like to this dessert place that they all do different sorts of things, like ice cream, pastries. Yeah, I'm gonna just take her, and because I haven't taken her there before, and I know she'll like it. Have a bit of you know, nice bonding time together. See if there's anything in the shops for her, because she really needs some new tops. She's growing out of everything so quick. She's so bloody tall already. I thought I'd mention some things that I've been watching recently. Severance, oh my god, tomorrow is the last episode of the season. Oh my god, we're gonna have to wait so long. What are we gonna do? And actually I'm gonna be away when the episode comes out, so I'm probably not gonna be able to watch it. It's like a few days later. Yeah, and I watched Adolescence, which was, oh my god, so... If you haven't watched it, definitely give it a watch. It's on Netflix. It's shot in 4 episodes. Each episode is all one shot, which is just amazing to watch in itself. It stars Stephen Graham and Ashley, is it Ashley Walters? I think is his name. They're both so good, obviously. And all of the actors, like also like the main boy, the young boy, apparently he hadn't acted before, like in a professionally or something. He was so good. And I like especially love the 3rd episode. I mean, they're all amazing, but the 3rd episode with the child psychiatrist, so interesting. Like they captured so much in that episode as well. Yeah, so I finished that, and another little update is that I went to the doctors, and I'm pretty sure, well, they're pretty sure I have PMDD, so great. I did think I had it for a while, to be honest. But it's kind of nice to feel a bit more like, okay, like that's what's going on. Joining the PMDD gang. Has a lot of quite a lot of events and things over the last 2 weeks, and then these next couple of weeks I think are going to be a bit more relaxed, which is good. I feel like every like 6 months or yearly I sort of sit, I look at my content, I'm like, okay, what do I enjoy doing, what's the audience enjoying, like what are you guys enjoying, and you know, what could I do more of, and have a little bit of like an MOT session. So that's what I've been doing recently as well. I hope you guys are good. It's spring equinox today. Woohoo! What feels like should really be the beginning of the year, a new year. When I woke up this morning and I went on TikTok, and like one of the first things that came up was a live of people dancing around Stonehenge. And so I was just watching it like, there's a nice energy today. It feels nice and it's very sunny. And anyway, let me show you what, I'm gonna show you what I got from IKEA. So I built the lamp and then I've written, I don't like it. I've hidden it behind the TV. For now, it's fine. It's just, I mean, it was only £10. I still will use it. It's like somewhere in the house. Oh, is it not going on? I still will use it somewhere in the house, but it's just giving office. Like, no. So, what else have we got? This is, my mum got Indy a little bee teddy. I've got this basket. I thought it was cute. I got this candle as well that I lit last night. It's really nice. It's like the smoky sort of tobacco. It's nice. I really like that design as well. It's pretty. And then I got, oh, I saw these. This cookware is so pretty. Like if you want to cook for, you know, like an oven dish and then serve it up in the same plate, it's really, really nice. Then I've got these for, oh yeah, I think I said already, but for the storage, they're like PR and beauty storage for my bathroom. So I'm gonna do these, I think, later on today, and then I'll show you the finished result. I hope they fit. And then I've got some other bits, like this paper for Indy for arts and crafts, because she gets through so much paper and she's really, yeah, she loves drawing and painting. So got that. I've got just another glass cup for like herbal tea. Got one of these little strainers. My mum said they're really, really useful, so I've got one of those. I've got just a handheld grater. Instead of always getting the big one out, and then, you know, like washing graters is such a nightmare as well. So sometimes you just want to do it quickly. Funnel. I don't know. I just felt like I needed a funnel. I don't have one. This candle is nice. It's like fresh cotton scent. It was only like £2.50. And then I really did need some saucers. I literally have like one big saucer and 2 tiny ones. But I'm quite picky with plates. But these are nice, I like the colour. So yes, now I can put them in my cupboard. And then I got some like meatballs and food bits as well, but I put them in the freezer already. And I think that's everything. I forgot to show you as well, I got one of these finally! A French coffee press thingamajig from IKEA as well. So I'm just gonna make a little coffee before I go get Indy. Of course I'm using my Portuguese coffee. I just like, that's the only like ground coffee that I have, so. Now, I saw a TikTok saying that it's better not to actually press and just pour and use this as the filter. Let me know. Do you guys use these? Let me know. I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes. I don't know what it is, but I feel like French press coffee, it doesn't feel as much like you're being kicked in the head with caffeine. Just me? Compared to the pods. I also got this. How nice is this? This little oil holder, pourer. So nice. Yeah. I got some really nice little bits from IKEA. She's excited. She's gonna get, she wants the milkshake. No, I don't know what to get. There's so much on the menu.
It's made of
do you guys like my nails?
gelato, Oreos, milk chocolate, and
We didn't realise how big this is. Oh my god.
Can we swap?
No, you can have some of this though if you want. I got the Kinder Bueno croffle. And then we got some macaroons.
I want to focus camera. It has to be okay.
We found these Hello Kitty pastas in home sense.
Yeah. Can I show you my colouring book? It's very new. Let me show you the drawings. It was my first one. Take a look at this beauty. I saved the Mother's Day thing I drew. Thank you for looking at my sketchbook. Bye.
Yeah, these look so nice together, I think. These colours.
And we just went, psst, guys, if you see this, comment sparkly drawing. Bye.
Okay, so Indy's in bed and it's about 9 o'clock now. Oh, I've got this to tackle because I really want to put the new shelves in, the new boxes in. Like, makes me feel stressed when I look at it. So yeah, these are the new ones. I'm gonna get going, doing a bit of like a clear out and organising. Okay, this looks a lot better. A lot more uniform. Now I feel like it doesn't really go with those little trays that I've got at the top, but it's a work in progress. I feel like this needs a plant here as well, but there's not much light in here, so I'm gonna start organising the bits. They're done. Took me a while last night to do that, and then I completely clonked out. I was so tired. But I got these little trays from Home Sense the other day. This candle's from Oliver Bonus, that was a gift, I think from Indy. Mandarin and Lotus, it's lovely. And then got some Living Proof. I really love these for my natural hair. Been using these more for my wig. And then, oh, I love this for trying to clear hyperpigmentation on my body. Like, and because sometimes I get some acne, which is so annoying. So I tend to leave this on, like when if I'm getting in the shower, I'll put some of this on those areas for like, leave it for like 10 minutes and then wash it off while I'm in the shower. And then this, I haven't used this yet. I've put this here because I want to start using it. Because I really love this brand. Like, I love their stuff. Then I've got my like face cloth thingies for removing my makeup. I love this body scrub from Fenty. It's my favourite one. And this is new. I'll just put this here as well because I want to start using this. This I got from Lisbon when I was there last to apply face masks. And then, so in this one, I've got all my skincare that I need to use, like try out, test out. And, oh, this is a bit of a random one. I got this at, in PR recently from Cal's Shed. Some hair bits in there. And Epsom salts for the bath. My mum got me those. Thanks, Mum. In here I've got hair and body. So lots of nice bits in there. And this one I've got some makeup bits and then some makeup bags. And yeah, that's it. I've got more makeup in the other room. That's my little bathroom area for now. I'm happy. By the way, I just thought while I'm standing here, I love the Suri toothbrushes. They're so nice. I love my Suri toothbrush. It's so cute as well. Look, the way it just is there, like it's so simple and so pretty. But yeah, okay, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.